super scary. I see why they give you such a big hat. Quick thing, though. Well, we are not gonna be kept down anymore. Consider this a declaration of holy war. I've woken up the people to the lies you angels tell. When we pay you a visit, we won't be bringing baskets. We'll be bringing decimation that'll put you in caskets. I'll show you what it means to be the motherfucking